Hello students, welcome again. In the last class we discussed about how to subtract a binary number using 1's complement. I am going to discuss the same concept little bit again and we'll go forward that subtraction using 2's complement. Before that, let me explain one more example on subtraction of a binary number using 1's complement. Okay, as you can see, already we have gone through the steps for how to subtract a binary number using 1's complement. So if the number is given like this, okay, that is I write here the given number is like this, which is 110 110, okay, 1011. Say this is a binary number which is given, and if they said you to perform subtraction from this number to 1110 using, okay, using 1's complement, okay, using 1's complement. If you observe these two number, as you already know that this is called as minute or minend you can call, this is subtrahend, okay. If you observe this, the minute is smaller than the subtrahend, or you can call also subtrahend is greater than minute. Then how to perform minus or subtraction operation on this? That is our concept. If minute is smaller than the subtrahend or larger subtrahend, then how to do that? Okay. For this, again we have to follow the same steps as we already followed, like that. What we did in the step 1, we have to take 1's complement of, okay, 1's complement of subtrahend. Am I right? We have to take this. What is the second step? Second step is add 1's complement, add 1's complement of subtrahend or subtrahend to the minute. Alright. Okay. See, I write here minute is what? 111011. Subtrahend is what? Plus. I don't directly write the subtrahend. I'll take the complement of subtrahend, so that is 0 0 0. See, this becomes 0 0 0, and this is 1 0 1 0. What we need to do? We need to simply add these things. 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 1 0, this is 1, this is 1 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Yes. In the last class, what I explained to you that if carry is generated, that carry is taken and added to the result. Right? That was the third step, right? Here if you observe how many total bits are here for the minute and subtrahend, if you observe 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. If you observe the result also consists of same number of bits, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. What it means? It means if, okay, I write that step also, you remember this. If no carry is generated, at that time you need to take 1's complement of result, 1's complement of result, then and place minus sign before it. What it means? What is the 1's complement of result? Result is this one, right? What is the result there? If you observe, result is this one, right? Okay. So take 1's complement of result, that is 0 0 0. Okay. 1 0 1 0. This is what? 1's complement of the result. Then what we have to put? We have to put minus sign before it. This is how we can perform ones complement for if subtrahend is larger. Okay. To cross verify, what we have to do? We have to convert this into decimal. What is the equivalent for this? You check now. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 plus this is 64. Okay. And here also you make like this. You just convert this into decimal and write the number, whatever the number you will get. Say for example x, whatever the number you will get, you have to do it and cross verify and submit to me. Okay. X plus whatever the second number, I write it as y, and you will get the result as z. Obviously result will be in the case of minus sign. Okay. You do that. That is how you are going to cross verify it. I hope this is clear to you how to perform subtraction operation using ones complement. Okay. Okay. So without further ado, let's move for the next thing, that is how to okay. Okay. Here next discussion is on subtraction of a binary number. Okay. Subtraction of a binary number using 2's complement. This is also very important in case of your examination. Okay. Usually, okay, you remember one more thing. I write as a note that our digital system, okay, digital systems always use use 2's complement for subtraction. 2's complement for subtraction. Digital systems always use 2's complement for subtraction. Okay. Okay. Now, how to do this? Let me take an example to do that. Say for example, you already know that what is 2's complement. What is 2's complement? 2's complement is nothing but 1's complement of a number plus add 1 to it, that is equals to 2's complement. Okay. Yes. Now, how to perform a subtraction using 2's complement? That is our topic. The same way what we have performed before, like that we have to do. That is minuend minus subtrahend is equals to difference. Same way we are going to do. Okay. Now I'll write some steps for that. That is, first step, what we have to do. First you take or get 2's complement of subtrahend. Okay. 2's complement of subtrahend, and the next step is add 2's complement of subtrahend to the minuend. Okay. Add 2's complement of subtrahend to the minuend. Okay. And the last step is, while doing addition, I write directly carry is generated. You write that while doing an addition, you have to write that carry is generated. Neglect that carry. Neglect this carry. Neglect the carry. And answer is positive. You remember this. Answer is positive. Okay. Okay. Let's take an example that. Say for example, I write one example to you. That is, if the number is like this, 11001, This is the given number. Say for example, this is minus. Okay, what is subtrahend now? The given subtrahend is 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, 1, these are binary number. I don't write base as 2 because these are binary number. I know subtrahend. Okay, what are the steps says now? Takes 2's complement of subtrahend. What is subtrahend now? Here it is a subtrahend. First I need to make the 1's complement of subtrahend, that is 0 0 1 1 1 0. And what we need to make it into 2's complement, that is plus 1 you need to add, that is the result is 1 1 1 1 0 0. Am I right? This is how we are going to take 2's complement of a subtrahend. This first step is done now. Okay, first step is done. What is the second step? Add 2's complement of subtrahend to the minus. What is minus now? I write minus here. 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 plus, what is subtrahend now? 0 0 1 1 1 1. This is subtrahend. You just add it. 1 1 is that 1 0, 1 1 is again 1 0. Okay, 1 1 1 means 1 1, correct? 1 1 means 1 0, 1 1 means 1 0, again 1 1, so put 1 0. If you observe how many bits are here for the minus and subtrahend, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 bits are there, but we got the answer for 7 bits. So what it means, that it simply means that this is whatever generated here, this is called as carry. Okay, this is called as carry. If carry is generated, what the our step says, if carry is generated, neglect the carry and answer is positive. What it means? The answer is in positive. Okay, this is how we are going to perform subtraction using 2's complement. You just cross verify it. What is what is minus says now? 1 2 4 8 16 32. Okay, you add that 32 16, next 4 and 1, right? 4 and 1, 10 11 12 13. This is 13, right? 1 3 I write 3 4 5. This is 53. Okay, minus, what a subtrahend says? 1 2 4 8 16 32. 32 16 and 1. I write here 32 16 and 1. For your simplification I am writing here 6 8, this is 9 49. If you calculate this 49, what is the answer? Answer will be 4, right? Okay, our binary number which is obtained as result should be equal to 4, right? Okay, now you check what is the result now. Result is 0 0 0 1 0 0. Is it equals to 4? Yes, obviously this is equal to 4. This is the answer. And if carry is generated, this answer is positive number. Obviously here you got answer as a plus 4, so this is also plus 0 0 0 1 0 0. This is how we are going to calculate subtraction using 2's complement. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Now let me take one more example. They may give in your exams like this, that is perform, you take this, perform, this is example to you and you do this, perform 53 in a decimal minus, okay, 49, this is the given number. If they say using 2's complement, what you have to do here? First you need to convert this 53 into binary, 49 into binary, then 2's complement of subtrahend, add 1 to it, or add that subtrahend to the minus, and you will get the result. If carry is generated, you neglect it, the result is positive. That is how we are going to do. And one more example I will give you, that 84 minus 48. Okay, these are in a decimal. You do it by using 2's complement. Okay, using 2's complement, and you do it and submit to me, right? Fine. Now one more example I will take, that is Okay. Say for example, the number is given like this, right? Perform 11001 minus 110101. This is a binary number. You can write base also using 2's complement. Okay, using 2's complement. Now what we have to do? Same steps we have to perform. That's it. That is, you take minute. Okay. 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 Now to do this, the same steps we have to follow. That is, minute I will write 110001. Okay, plus 2's complement of the subtrahend, that is what I write here, 1, that is 0 0 1 0 1 0 plus 1, correct? That is 1 1 0 1 0 0, right? This is the 2's complement of subtrahend. Okay, just I need to add this thing to minute, that is 0 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, see, 1 1 is 1 0, here also 1 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. If you observe now, how many bits are here for representing by minute and subtrahend? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. The result is also of 6 bits only. 1 2 3 4 5 6. What it means? It means that no, okay, it means no carry is generated, correct? Here there is no carry at all. So if no carry is generated, what we have to do now? Now we have to take 2's complement of, okay, 2's complement of result. What is the result now? 2's complement of result. Result is 111100. First I need to write 1's complement of this, that is 000011, and add 1 to it, that is a 2's complement, right? That is 1 1 means 10 10 1000. You can also neglect these zeros if you want, because these zeros don't have any meaning, right? If you want, you can write, right? Okay, the total number is this. Now what it means? This is the answer. This is the answer for the question. For the question, this one. And if no carry is generated, we need to do this. These steps. That is, okay, that is, if no carry is generated, then we need to take 2's complement of a result and put minus sign in front of it, that is the number, means the result is in negative number. Okay, this is how we can do subtraction using 2's complement. If you have any doubt, first you need to cross verify that, that is by taking by converting these numbers into decimal and subtract, and you will get the result, and you can cross verify it, and you have to do that. You have to cross verify it. Okay. Okay, I think this is clear to you how to do subtraction using 2's complement. Thank you.